Okay, hello. Kinausap ko yung mga anak ko na gumising sila bukas ng umaga kasi aalis kami. Tinatanong kung saan pupunta. Abay, malay ko kung saan kami pupunta. Gumising muna kayo. Tapos mag-isip tayo kung saan pupunta. Tanong ng tanong. Ayun sila. Look, balik rin natin to. Ayaw kasi sa, camera. Oh, sige. Ayun. Nag-uusap silang dalawa doon. Joy, have you think where we going tomorrow?
I don't know where to go. Margo, what do you think?
I don't know.
Margo doesn't know either.
Oh, well, then we'll just stay here.
But I don't know where to go. I don't know where there is.
I think about it tomorrow then.
But I need to know tomorrow. Is it good to the same place every time?
At the store,
We always go to the store.
at the Westfield.
What?
Westfield. Oh, where was the mall that we went?
Oh, we always go to?
Yeah.
The mall.
Okay. Ay, naku. Hindi naman kasi, di makadesisyon kung anong gusto. Oh, ito. Bulaklak. Saan kami pupunta bukas? Ay, nako. Okay. Ay, wala. Okay po. Goodbye.